checked him out on YouTube. I do like this guy. He has been around for quite a while. He has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube. No, he did not ask me to say his name.
Everyone online is flashing the same thing. Millions of dollars, luxury cars, penthouses in Dubai, screenshots of insane profits, flex culture everywhere. But let's be honest for a second. None of that actually teaches you how to trade. Anyone can go online.
Truth here today. Not some YouTube BS you're going to hear somewhere else with a strategy. I made $20,000 in 6 minutes and then
we'll see how it plays out. I put up Trump
and fake a lifestyle. You can literally order stacks of fake cash and take pictures. That's not real skill. I'm not here for that. I've got responsibilities, a real life, and I don't have time to pretend. What I am here to do is show you how to actually grow a small trading account the right way. And trust me, it's very different from what most YouTubers are telling you. There are only a handful of people I genuinely trust in this space, and I'll share some of them along with podcasts and resources that actually help me improve. But first, let's talk about the truth. If you're on TradingView trying to grow a small account fast using some 1-minute scalping strategy, you need to hear this. Most of what you see online is incomplete. You'll see titles like, I made $20,000 in 6 minutes. What they don't show you is what happened the next day. Because the reality is strategy matters, but risk management matters way more. If you ignore that, nothing else will save you. So pay close attention, because what I'm about to share can genuinely change how you approach trading. Let's break it down. I turned a $2,000 account into over $116,000. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the part most people won't admit. I lost it all. Every single dollar. And that experience taught me more than anyone ever could. So yes, growing a small account fast is possible. But the real challenge is keeping it. Most traders fail not because they don't know strategies, but because they don't understand themselves. Your personality plays a huge role in trading. For example, I know I'm naturally a high-risk person. I've always been that way. So I had to learn how to control that side of me. One of my biggest mistakes? Moving stop losses. I'd adjust them mid-trade, hoping the market would turn. That's a dangerous habit. What I learned is simple. If you're scalping, your stop loss needs to stay tight, around 15% to 30%. And your reward should be higher, typically 50% to 100%, sometimes more. That risk-to-reward balance is everything. Now, let's talk about beginners. If you're new, under 2 to 3 years of experience, you need to slow down. Seriously. Only risk around 2% to 5% per trade, because you will go through losses. You will face emotional swings. That's part of the process. But if you've been watching charts consistently for years, focusing on one market, whether it's crypto, forex, futures, gold, oil, whatever, then you can approach things differently. Let's say you have a $500 account. If your goal is to grow it fast, you're going to have to take higher risk. There's no shortcut. You might risk 10% per trade, which is aggressive, no doubt. But here's the key. The moment you grow that $500 into something like $2,000, take profits out. Remove a portion and put it somewhere safe, a different account, savings, cold wallet, anywhere you won't touch it. Now you're protecting your gains while still trading. This is how you build momentum and stay in the game. Because the truth is simple. Every strategy you see online, no matter how good it looks, requires risk. Even professional traders, especially in prop firm challenges, take big risks to pass. But once they succeed, they reduce risk and protect capital. That's the shift. So if your goal is to turn a small account into something big, understand this clearly. You either grow it slowly with low risk or quickly with high risk. Please seriously protect your money. Before you even think about trading, build good habits first. Ask yourself honestly, how much loss can you emotionally handle? If losing $50 is going to stress you out or make you panic, then don't trade with it. Simple as that. One rule I always follow, I don't focus on the money, I focus on percentages. That shift alone changes everything. Now, let me answer a really good question someone asked in my Discord. I'm starting trading with $500, risking 4% per trade. If I'm profitable, how long will it take to reach $3,000 to $4,000? Here's the honest truth. Stop thinking about how long it will take. Get that idea, out of your head completely. Social media has programmed people to expect fast results, but trading doesn't work like that. What actually matters is your process. If you maintain something like around a 50% win rate, a solid risk-to-reward ratio, like 1 to 2, then yes, growth will come, but it's not about rushing it. You could take 100 trades a week or 10 trades a week. That's not the point. The real focus should be, are your setups valid? Are you following your rules? Are you staying disciplined? If those are in place, the money will follow. Think about it like this. Any real career, doctor, engineer, business, takes years to develop. Trading is no different. You can't expect to master it in a few weeks. It's just like the gym. You don't get in shape in a week or a month. You show up consistently, every single day.